Ah! Wee! Okay. Happy cat. You good? You good, Smokey? Hey, look up for the camera. Okay. Back to the mission. Alright. That's, yeah. Alright. What do you believe? These are the OG axle carriers that came out of the box of my e-maxx to my 12-year-old face of pure ecstasy. Now, you couldn't make a 12-year-old happier than without drugs, I guess. And that means I should not have kids. Okay. Yeah, I look like I know what I'm doing. You go in there. How far do you go in, man? I'm gonna keep this train going till the end of the line, buddy. Okay, I'm just gonna go till the threads stop. Okay, that one, yeah. I just have to pull. What am I doing, dude? Alright. Alright. Are we far enough away? Yes. Yes. No, I said yes. That means we're far enough away. Far enough away. Fine. Oh. Alright. And now the weird one. Use like a big fat. No, too fat. Dang, yeah, I thought you could take that. It was too big for you? I'm surprised. Oh, I'm rolling on the gravy train. And that's not gravy. Oh! Yeah. Y'all know what it is. I'm not gonna lie, it's like pretty close to my bedtime. And is there anything more to say? I mean, that's it. Bedtime impending. Which means I might be taking stuff to go to sleep. I take my teddy bear to sleep with me. Alright. Seriously though, look at how nice these look. For 11 years. The longest lasted piece. This, the ball sack, one end screw head. These things, ball sack screw. These things. I think I replaced the bearings. I don't remember. Obviously, replace the axles. Obviously, replace the axles. Because it's metal. That doesn't look like. Oh, where is it? Axles. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Dude, I even have a t-maxx spur gear. Because I was trying to build a t-maxx. I was like, dude, I'm so good. I'm going to have another one. It'll be cheaper because I've made it from scratch. And that's why it'll be better. Another nice virgin hole waiting to be screwed in. Nice and tight. Nice sentences. Oh, frick. Okay. Axle. I guess that's how it's going to be. Well, if that's how it's going to be, that is how it must be. Yeah. Wow. This is kind of like Christmas, digging through a... This is like recycled Christmas, digging through a bunch of stuff and you forgot that was in there. Well, you're like, oh, I need this. Oh, what do you know? It's in here. Look at that. Man, I'm missing my bed right now. Bearings. Yes, I did replace the bearings. Now that I think about it. Because they don't match. Oh, are you serious? You won't? Oh, wait. We can get him. We can get him. We can get him. Oh, you just lost. Oh, wait, what? Oh, don't you hate it when that happens? Where you're like, yeah, you're trying to jam it in one end, and you can't get it in the other end. When you realize if you put it in the other end first, the other end goes in like butter, and you're like, oh. Is the camera still going? Yes, it is. Okay. I don't want to be talking insanely to nobody. Hey, there was a reason I got this. Pick you a car. Pick you a car. Pick you a car. Getting it. Dude, I could be a rapist. Getting it. Here, oh, I needed 2 more, not 4 more. Whatever. Oh yeah, these are the big hole wrench, screw, big wrench hole. These are OG parts too. Out of the box, by myself. No, not really. With 8 other fools like myself. Make it just a tad loose enough to move free, like my shoulder. I like to keep it reasonably tight, but smooth. Okay. And then just the bearing. You're bearing it all. Woo! Not in that kind of way. Alright. Looky here. Ooh, this thing is shaping up nice. Just waiting. Oh. Just waiting for what is it? O-rings for the shocks. O-rings for the shocks. Conversation timed out. What was I talking about? Dial-up sounds. Oh yeah, O-rings for the shocks, because they were empty when I got to them. When I was done driving around, I was like, man, these shock absorbers are all shock and no absorb. Springs were working fine, but I get in there and it's like, wow, no water left in here, boy. This is like the Sahara Desert of shock reservoirs. Anyways, I'm done. So, 1 down. Why couldn't you do it? Never mind. Okay. You got the idea. We've made progress. That is the front. We'll work on the rear next. Alright, guys. It is my bedtime. 10 hours ago. And this video is freaking long. I apologize for the bad angle, but this is the easiest place to put the camera because it's the easiest. That's it. Yeah. Okay, well, don't go anywhere. We're gonna have a new video soon. Bye.